Welcome to This Week in Vexly. Starting off, we will review last week's trade ideas. For our first idea, we liked OXY as a long last week due to our market maker model being long. We also mentioned that based on our gamma profile, we liked 65 as our upside target for the week, and that's what we got. From Monday's open to high of week, OXY had a return of 6.39%. For our second idea of the week, we liked AFRM as a long. Our market maker model was long, and we noted the huge negative position at 20 on our gamma profile. This meant price was likely to stay above 20 and had a shot at 21 to 22. That's exactly what happened last week, and from Monday's open to high of week, AFRM was up 12.65%. Next, we would like to announce there will be a change to This Week in Vexly videos going forward. From now on, we will be reviewing past week results along with sharing only upcoming week trade ideas. This will cut down on time spent watching and maximize your time to value ratio. So with that being said, let's get into our trade ideas for the week ahead. For our first idea, we like TSM as a long this week. Our market maker model has signaled a short squeeze, which is a bullish occurrence. Our Pluto model had a sell signal last week though, but it is currently in neutral territory. Moving to our gamma profile, we can see peak negative is set at 85 and peak positive is set at 90. With that being said, we want to see 85 act as the floor for the week and have an upside target of 90. Moving down, we have our Vanna profile with peak positive set at 95 and peak negative set at 80. Moving lower, we have our skew model. Our P1 skew is bearish due to the extreme amount of call buying compared to puts bought. Our P2 skew though is bullish due to the farther out of the money puts that have been bought and are likely to be drained this week. Next, we have our weekly seasonality for TSM. Finally, we have our VX level for TSM. One thing to note from last week is the bid we found at 85. For our second idea, we like MU as a long this week. Our market maker model is long, but Pluto is currently short, therefore we will want to wait for our ideal entry to long. Moving to our gamma profile, we can see peak negative is set at 65 and peak positive is set at 70. Next, we have our Vanna profile, where we have peak negative set at 65 and peak positive is set at 70. Based on our Greek profiles, our ideal trade will be to long at 65 and have an upside target of 70. Moving lower, we have our skew models, which is mixed on the week, but is showing based of P2 skew that far out the money puts are likely to be drained this week. Next, we have our weekly seasonality for MU. And finally, here are the VX levels for MU. One thing to note is the downside phantom wick we have from last week and aligns with our idea that MU drops first this week before we see a move higher. That's it for this week. To recap, we like TSM as a long this week and want to see 85 act as the floor for a move higher. For our second idea, we want to see MU hold above 65 this week for a move higher as well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.